I've been scouring the internet, YouTube, and Reddit, and I found quite a number of people are having problem in connecting their Razer Barracuda and Barracuda X via Bluetooth. While the answer to their question is available in the supplied instruction manual, it's in fact very difficult to find if I didn't pop out my eyes. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. The first thing you have to do is fully charge the headphones. When done, press and hold the power button until the light is blinking. Now it comes the most important part. If the blinking light is green instead of blue, press the power button 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then it's gonna turn blue. While you're doing that, open the Bluetooth settings on your phone. After you're done handshaking the Bluetooth of Barracuda to your phone, go to Razer Audio app, open it up, select your device, and ta-da! You're done! You can start using your headphones. And also you can start playing with the EQ. I still personally just use the default EQ. I hope this step-by-step how-to tutorial helps. If you have any question or comment, please leave them in the comments down below. For those who want to buy it, there is a link in the description. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.